Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up. So AMC 60 and beyond next week, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about it. What are our expectations for next week? How do we feel the price action will play out, guys? So let's go ahead and take a look at Friday, though. On Friday, we closed at $41, up over 1.3%, guys. And we expect it to outperform the market on Friday, close green, guys. We expect to close a little higher than we did at around $43 per share, guys. And on the low side, we expect to go down to that gap fill to around $38, $39 before making that cup and handle reversal, guys, back to the upside. And that's exactly what we've seen. We had showed strong signs of support to be building around previous resistance levels, which was at $40 and $43, guys. We had a breakthrough resistance at those levels for the past 5-6 weeks, and now we was forming new support where we previously had a breakthrough. But 40 basically did hold, but like we seen on the chart, it was a clear gap fill down to around 38, 39. Even though we came down at 39, 39 on Friday as the low, we clearly was prepared for that. But I do feel 40 is that new support. Even though we broke it just to here, that just goes back to show how when I make my predictions and I say we got support at such and such level, but we could possibly break it just to here, come down under the dollar or so, just because the market makers know the people that are able to read charts and able to see this type of stuff can easily predict. Not really easily, but they can pretty much come up with their science, their homework, and see where support and resistance levels are. So if we just come down to that support and hold every time, and even though it's support there, it's like sometimes market makers just like to break that support. Even though it's really there, they like to break it just to here to try to mess up the psychology, because the market is a psychology thing. They try to mess up the psychology of the ones that knew, what support was. They'll break it, let me bring it down to 30. Maybe he'll think support wasn't there and to sell out of his position, or however the case may be, guys. It's just psychology and the way the market works. So anyways, and we know this is not a fundamental play, fundamental stock, guys. What we do here every day is just have, keep the energy alive, have something day to day to look forward to, try to bring our expectations and basically our predictions on whatever we think the price action will play out day by day. You get what I'm saying? And majority of the times, more than not, we usually be right on target, guys. And it just give people, everybody insight on when the pullbacks, the dips are happening, and some people are easily tricked out of their positions. I have done prepared us for when we was trading all the way in the $60 range, and we pulled all the way back to $30, to $29. I was letting everybody know about that drop before it happened. Even drops prior before that one, we was already well prepared. Way back in February and March when we had our first run ups, all the way to we ran up like $19, $18, went up, whatever up in that range. And I was just letting the people know we about to have a huge pullback all the way back down to 8. And we pulled all the way back before ripping right back up, guys. So I mean, these predictions, some may think, it's not a fundamental play. Hey, stop talking about predictions, this, that, and the third. But on the other hand, some may look at it as, a blessing. I'm glad he able to come every single day, give us his thoughts and opinions on what's going to happen, because it helped better prepare me for, possible sellouts on when it's tanking. And he already said, well, it should go no lower than such and such. So people already be prepared for what's going on, guys. So let's go ahead and continue though. Next week is looking bright, guys. It's looking very, very bright, because for the simple fact that for the past 5-6 weeks, we've been in this channel trying to break above that $40 wall. That's what been very, very challenging for us. Now for us to end the week on a good Friday, usually on Fridays we end the week, we have a pullback or a selloff. But for the previous 2 Fridays, we've been doing pretty good, ending Fridays in green. And for us to end Friday above that resistance level that we previously had to get through, treating that 40 as a new form of support is a great, great sign going into next week, guys. I don't see nothing but bullish momentum going into next week. We should most definitely run back up, test that $48, around that $48.20, right up in that area. We break above that, guys. This thing has no wall, straight up to around $55, $56 per share. And if we run our way back up to 55, 56, 60 is right around the corner. I can easily see us getting back there. So we most definitely, I feel, you know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know what your boy think. But this beast is ready to unlock and go, guys. If they don't continue to manipulate the price and try to hold us back, I'm pretty sure we is ready to be trading in that $55 to $60 range coming next week, guys. So that's all I really got for this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC and let you guys know the whole rundown on, you know, with the predictions and stuff, and let you guys know why I'm doing it and how I feel about AMC and how, you know, I know this is not a fundamental stock. It's not a fundamental play. We know that AMC is going to do what it do regardless. Like I tell y'all, the news and the catalysts that come out around it, like I've been telling y'all, that stuff do give us some boost along with what we have going on. It's better to hear positive and good news around AMC than negative and bad stuff surrounding it, guys, that could possibly, you know, harm the price. So anyways, we already well aware of all that, guys. We just try to, you know, share what we can share. So that's all we got for this video. Consider joining the family if you like these type of videos and updates. We post over here every single day. Also, add your boy on Instagram. Don't forget to get your free stock in the description down below. I love y'all. We out. And God bless y'all.
Yeah.
Getting warmed up. Getting warmed up. Watch it. Getting warmed up. Watch it.
Yeah.
Getting warmed up. Getting warmed up. Watch it. Getting warmed up. Watch it.
Yeah.